Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this French curls hair for French curls braids using extension. So the first thing I'll do is to get my attachment or extension and then fish it out. There are various methods of fishing out your hair, but this is the method I like using. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush out my attachment / braiding hair. Spray some oil on it. Then give it another good brush again. Then I'll take out a strand, straighten that strand by brushing it, and then straighten it with my hair straightener on low heat. So babies, make sure you do this on low heat. You don't want to burn the attachment or the braiding hair. Then after doing this, I'll brush it again to make sure everything is straightened out. Then I go ahead and secure the middle with a rubber band. Then I'm going to be using a stick for this. You can use any other thing. You can use cotton railings or your tripod stand or whatever you have. Then after doing that, I'll use a comb and brush it out, comb it out, make sure I straighten it. Then I start wrapping it tightly around the stick. I wrap and I comb it out. That way I ensure it is very smooth. So this is me wrapping the braiding hair / attachment around my stick. Okay babies, so if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and share this video with your friends. We all know sharing is caring. So you can continue this process until the attachment / the braiding hair that you have, until you get to the end of the attachment or the braiding hair. Sorry. So I'll go ahead and use my scissors and trim out the flyaways. Then I'll get the bowl, pour in a leave-in conditioner into the bowl, then boil hot water and then pour hot water into the bowl. Then I'll put my stick into the bowl, use a smaller bowl to make sure I scoop the hot water and pour it around the stick. Okay, so after this, I'll be leaving the hair out to dry outside for at least 2 hours. So this is the hair after I left it out to dry. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.